Hey everyone, Dr. Dan here. Welcome to Hello World with Dr. Dan. And in this video, we're going to basically show you what to expect from Module 3, Lesson number 2, which is really getting into some advanced object-oriented programming. Now I want to kind of preface this lesson by saying this lesson actually picks up from the last lesson where we built a humanoid in a Star Wars universe. And this lesson is going to really be probably multiple sub-lessons. There's a lot of concepts that get covered. So this is where we actually cover inheritance, things like making calls to super for super constructor and super methods that were overridden, and just all the concepts of inheritance in total. We cover concepts like polymorphism, but then we go on to do examples of abstract methods, abstract classes, as well as interfaces, and really covering those in detail. Essentially what we are going to do is we are going to create a program that has this inheritance structure. So you can see you have a humanoid that is extending a galactic ID. You have a Force user that is extending a humanoid. Then you have Jedi and Sith, which are extending the Force user, and each of those are implementing Force actions interface. So this is essentially what we're going to build, and we're going to basically tell a story in the Star Wars universe that basically uses all of this structure here. So again, there's a lot involved here. The client itself is not super complicated. It's really where you're seeing the polymorphism concepts. But then we will really get into some more advanced concepts of that object-oriented programming, as well as just a really neat little example. You'll see if I play this, it's actually doing kind of have like a battle simulator in here where you have different humanoids battling Darth Vader. When Darth Vader gets to a Jedi, they'll actually fight, and you'll see the results will be different every time. So there's actually kind of a battle simulation happening. You'll see this time Darth Vader won 100 to 0. Next time, again 100 to 0. The next time we see looks like Darth Vader is too powerful for Rey. But down here, if we see Master Yoda, we'll see that Darth Vader actually lost this round. If we go again, you'll see that Darth Vader won this time. So every time through, it's using this fairly complex battle simulator, not super complex, but complex enough for a kind of an intro level type of implementation. So anyway, I encourage you to check out hellodrdan.com if you want to program all of this code from scratch and really get the low level details about inheritance, polymorphism, abstract methods and classes, as well as interfaces, and also to just see some really neat code along the lines of simulating battles and things like that. Anyway, hope to see you there. Thanks.